Hello and welcome to the weekly trading analysis. This video will be focusing on Euro USD for the week November 10th to 15th. And very quickly, we are going to be looking at what trend to expect in the coming week, the bias, and then we'll check it on daily time frame and then pick up our key entry levels for this pair. All right, now for weekly bias for GBP USD, as you can see here from the chart, we have in the past week before this very one ended, we had a bearish engulfing pattern formed here and then bearish continuation for for the week that just ended. Now based on this, without doubt we will be expecting a bearish week in the week in focus, that is 10th to 15th of November. So we'll be expecting a bearish week, a bearish continuation in the coming week. All right, now for Monday, we'll be looking at Monday. The daily bias for Monday, November 11, is most likely going to be bearish based on the bearish continuation we had here. On Thursday, we had a bearish engulfing line engulfing 3 full days, and then Friday there was a continuation. Also, given that the Eurozone, there was a rate cut on Thursday, which drove price to go and test a low at 1.3295. So now we'll be expecting that. Also, you see here on Friday, the market, despite the positive jobs data from the US, we have a situation where the market could not break the low recorded on Thursday. However, based on the weekly bias, we expect the Euro USD to retest the 1.3295 support, and then if it's unable to break it, we might then experience kind of pullback, and using these trend lines, I want to see something like this in the coming week. Okay, and if we go, if that's anything to go by, we may likely be having a trend uptrend channel there. So we might be expecting something close to this in the coming week. That will give us the channel, the uptrend channel. Okay, good. So for on the 4 hours, this is what we may likely experience if a retest of this place rejects price for Euro USD. Now on the on the pivot points analysis, I already have a screenshot for that, which I did earlier on. Now based on this, for the weekly, we will be seeing floor pivot points at 1.3404, and we have around 3395 for the Woodies, and Camarilla sell is at 1.3438 level. So, and then for the max, there will be a 3458 test. Okay, now 3205 is low for the max pivot, hoping it gets there. And then for the buy level for Camarilla on the weekly analysis is 1.329, which is around 1.3300. So we'll be expecting price to get all the way here, and a breakout at 1.3, that's sell breakout at 1.3229, first support at this level. No, so Eagle's eyes will focus mainly on selling between 1.3404 all the way to 1.3438 levels. Okay, now maybe with a little gap to 3458. If that happens, so we'll be looking forward to selling Euro USD around that level. Okay, now if you see this, you also notice that you have a 3512 on the first level of resistance. Now if at all price will push up all the way there, okay, this is it here. Okay, good. Now for the Fibonacci retracement levels, okay, based on this move in the past week, we're looking at it here. Okay, based on the fall from 1.3548 okay, all the way to 1.3295. So the 38.2 retracement level is at 1.3392, and 50% is at 1.3422, and 61% is at 62% rather is at 1.3451, which actually tends to have an intersection with the max pivot and the Camarilla sell area, including the flop pivot. So this area is a strong sell zone for us. So we have a strong sell zone around this place in the coming week, and then a possible retest of this low level here, the low of last week. There's going to be a possible retest of price around 1.3295 level. Okay. Okay, so we will be expecting price to retest that place, and if that happens, so a break of this level will now mean that Euro US is likely going to dive all the way down, perhaps in subsequent weeks, to 3-1 level. So we are now also looking at how and where the Euro USD may wrap up the year. So and this place is very instructive. A break of this level might see Euro retesting a low here. Let's quickly pick that. Okay, but we're testing a low here, that's at 3230, and then finally around 31 level, that's 3108 or 31, around that area. So we will be expecting this to happen. Now a rejection here is likely to push price back up, but with the rate cuts, I think that the ball is now in the court of the US. So if the US will strengthen their economy, then we will see a Euro USD that may even go all the way to wrap up around 300 levels. Okay, so that's now for our entry levels for the week for Euro USD, based on Fibonacci intersection with the pivot points. We'll be looking at selling around 1.3451 all the way down to 1.3404. That is based on the floor pivot points we have here, all the way to the max pivot points and the Camarilla sell area here. Remember that at 3507 we might experience a buy breakout that is if price gets here. Otherwise we might just see something getting all the way to 3298, and then a possible break all the way down. So that's how much we can take on the Euro USD analysis. So watch out, and remember also that this is towards the close of the year, and the market is going to tend to get more volatile. Now, to confirm our trend and bias, let us look at the COT report. COT report for Euro FX. Okay, Euro FX already. That's it there. Okay, Euro FX. Okay, good. Euro FX. For Euro, we have a negative open interest of 30,369 compared to the previous report, and for the non-commercial trader, the speculators, there's a negative change of minus 32,721, and for short is positive with 4,753. So it means that the speculators are dumping the euro, while the hedgers tend to be buying the euro at the moment. They feel that it's bottoming already, but then we shall see, because we have more volume in favor by the commercial traders. So but then with the negative open interest, we expect euro to still go and retest the 1.300 level, and a break of which we will see it nosediving further down. So we are bearish on the euro in the coming week, November 10th to November 15th. Okay, so please, I want you to be careful. We're going to pick just these three positions, and perhaps two, because any sell around this area, you could split your entry, your position size into three. For a sell around 304, 3404, 3422, and about 3458 levels. okay, with a stop loss of perhaps 50 pips or thereabouts, and then we can even extend a stop loss all the way, maybe up to 100 pips, but then I will restrict it to just 50 pips, for the day that I'll be trading, and then watching out for a break of 3295 for continuation of selling on the Euro USD. I wish you a highly profitable trading week. Just put your plans together, follow your plan, and you might use the one I've given here as a guide. And I trust that you will make green pips in the coming week. Thank you and God bless you. My name is Ifeanyi Uche from NairaForGold.net.